happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening, respectively on your watching time. Jai Jinendra, my name is Nirmal Kumar Jain and you are watching Weekly Legal Bulletin on Law Gardener. Central VISTA Essential Project of National Importance. The Honorable Delhi High Court on Monday refused to direct the central government to stop the ongoing construction of the Central VISTA project in the national capital in view of the COVID-19 pandemic. In suo motu matter on COVID-19 management, the Supreme Court on Monday questioned the central government on its dual policy for procurement of COVID-19 vaccines. Twitter on Monday informed the Delhi High Court that it has appointed a grievance redressal officer in compliance with the IT Rules 2021. The Supreme Court on Monday said that Section 124A of IPC, which criminalizes sedition, would require detailed interpretation with respect to its application to media and freedom of press. Honorable Karnataka High Court begins live streaming of proceedings via YouTube on experimental basis. By this, it became second High Court after Gujarat High Court started the live proceedings on 26 October 2020. Senior Advocate Mahesh JETHMALANI has been nominated to the Rajya Sabha on Monday by the President Ramnath Kovind for his expertise in the legal field under Article 80 of the Constitution. The Lucknow bench of Allahabad High Court stayed the arrest of MASJID committee members against whom an FIR was filed for allegedly forging the documents of the GAREEB NAWAZ mosque, which was demolished earlier this month. The Karnataka court on Tuesday denied anticipatory bail to a suspended police sub-inspector who allegedly forced a 22-year-old belonging to a scheduled caste community to drink urine while in police custody. Supreme Court on Tuesday stayed Delhi High Court order declaring IGST on import of oxygen concentrator as gift for personal use unconstitutional. Indian Union Muslim League, the first petitioner to have challenged the CAA, that is Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 in the Supreme Court, has moved top court seeking a stay on the May 28 order of Ministry of Home Affairs which empowered 13 districts across 3 states to grant citizenship to non-Muslim minorities from Afghanistan, Pakistan and Bangladesh. Justice S. Vaidyanathan expressed concern that there is no law like the Domestic Violence Act to deal with complaints against women in domestic relationships. A case involving allegation that a woman had filed a domestic violence complaint against her husband only to harass him prompted the Madras High Court to make interesting observations on the Domestic Violence Act itself as well as on marriage. Foreign medicine graduates move Supreme Court seeking relaxation of conditions for inductions into India's healthcare workforce, as these graduates become eligible to practice medicine in India only if they clear Foreign Medical Graduate Examination, that is FMGE. Even if a woman is in an extramarital relationship, one cannot conclude that she is not a good mother to deny her the custody of her child, observed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court recently. Allahabad High Court extends life of interim orders until August 2 in view of the spike in COVID-19 cases. A private unaided education institution is amenable to the writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution. The Calcutta High Court ruled on Tuesday, holding that a school operated by the Army Welfare Education Society comes within the meaning of state under Article 12. Opining that the Union of India need not be made a party in matter, the Karnataka High Court on Tuesday directed the state government to come out with a decision on banning online gambling in Karnataka. Retired Supreme Court Judge Justice Arun Mishra has assumed charge as the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission in New Delhi on Wednesday. The Bar Council of India has constituted a 12-member expert committee to deliberate on the issue of how to evaluate law students for promotion to intermediate semesters amid the ongoing second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic. Google LLC has moved an appeal before the Delhi High Court against single judge order for misinterpreting and misapplying the new IT rules 2021 to hold that it is a significant social media intermediary. Supreme Court stated that free vaccination to 45 plus by central government and paid vaccination for 18 to 44 by states, private hospital is prima facie irrational and arbitrary. The Supreme Court on Thursday quashed the sedition case registered by the Himachal Pradesh police against journalist Vinod Dua in connection with his video uploaded on YouTube last year, criticizing the central government implementation of the COVID-19 lockdown. We have quashed the proceedings and FIR. Every journalist will be entitled to the protection under Kedarnath Singh judgment, a bench of justices UU Lalit and Vinit Saran ordered. The Drug Controller of Delhi on Thursday informed the Delhi High Court that Gautam Gambhir Foundation is guilty under provisions of the Drug and Cosmetic Act for unauthorized purchase and procurement of Fabiflu and oxygen amid the shortage of the same during the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic. The Delhi High Court on Thursday allowed arrested Pinjra Tod members Natisha Narwal and Devanga Kalita access to private therapists of their choice at their own expenses. The Delhi High Court on Thursday said that just like registrations of deaths and birth is necessary, it was necessary for Delhi government to gather information on the minor children who have lost one or both parents to COVID-19. The Delhi High Court on Thursday directed that no coercive action should be taken against Lokesh Sharma, officer on special duty of Computer Communication Cell to Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot, in connection with a phone tapping case registered with the Delhi police. The Bombay High Court on Thursday censored lawyers writing opinion pieces in newspapers criticizing judges in cases in which they appear. Bench also told that lawyers should repose their faith in judge and should refrain from writing articles on cases in which they appear as counsel. Making false allegations of impotency or erectile dysfunction during matrimonial proceedings will constitute cruelty. The Kerala High Court recently rules allowing a plea by husband for dissolution of marriage. Honorable bench held that it is settled position of law that unsubstantiated accusation and character assassination in a written statement would constitute mental cruelty. The Delhi High Court ordering an inquiry into an incident in which an accused absconded after misleading the court by producing a false COVID-19 positive report in order to secure interim bail. The Karnataka High Court on Friday urged the state government to make provision to register complaints through WhatsApp and Telegram regarding violation of social distancing norms. The Madhya Pradesh High Court has declared the strike by the Junior Doctors Association in the state as illegal and has directed the doctors to immediately resume their duties. The Delhi High Court on Friday dismissed the plea filed by Bollywood actor Juhi Chawla against the rollout of 5G technology in India. The bench said that it appeared that the suit was filed to garner publicity. Therefore, the court imposed a cost of 20 lakh on Chawla and other plaintiffs for abusing the process of law. Kolkata High Court on Friday directed that anyone in West Bengal who is not being allowed to go back to their houses due to post-poll violence in state shall be at liberty to lodge complaint with West Bengal State Legal Service Authority. If you like the content and thought the video is knowledgeable, do like our video and share to your friends and colleagues and subscribe our channel for such more informative videos.